Hello everyone, welcome back to KK Social Studies. Today I am going to discuss with you DAV Class 8 Chapter 16 Our Constitution MCQ questions. It is about 20 to 25 questions. Okay, चलिए first question. In a parliamentary form of government, the executive is answerable to the parliament. There is no relationship between the legislature and the executive. The president enjoys real power as the head of the government. The government यहाँ छूट गया है. Okay. The council of ministers can be dismissed by the president. So answer is B. There is no relationship. दोनों एक दूसरे से अटैच्ड नहीं होते हैं, लेजिस्लेचर और एक्सिक्यूटिव. लेजिस्लेचर का काम है लॉ बनाना, एक्सिक्यूटिव का काम है एक्सिक्यूट करना, उसे लागू करवाना. ओके. नेक्स्ट, द कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट असेंबली ऑफ इंडिया कंस्टिट्यूट ऑफ directly elected members, indirectly elected members, members nominated by the Queen, members nominated by the Governor General. तो indirectly elected members. कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट असेंबली में क्या हुआ था? कांग्रेस पार्टी अपने ही मेंबर्स को डिफरेंट रीजन्स से इनडायरेक्टली इलेक्टेड की थी, चुन ली थी. ओके. Next, most of the provision of Indian Constitution can be amended by simple majority, special majority with rectification by the state, simple majority with rectification by the state legislature. So, answer is simple majority. Okay. Freedom of the religion makes India a socialist state, sovereign state, secular state, republic state. Freedom of religion makes India a what? Secular state. Which one of the following statement goes against the spirit of freedom of federalism in India? India has a written and rigid constitution. Power has been divided between the center and the state. ये तो फेडरलिज्म का स्पेशल फीचर है. The government at central level is very strong. ये भी है. India has an independent judiciary. ये भी है. Answer is A. Universal adult franchise, that is right to vote, was guaranteed in 1947, 1949, 1950, 1941, 1950 when our constitution was adopted. Which of the following is a provision that a democratic constitution does not contain? The right of the people, the ideals of the people, power and function of legislature, executive and judiciary, the name of the president of a country. Which of the following is a provision that a democratic constitution does not contain? जो कंटेन नहीं रखती है. तो आंसर इज डी, द नेम ऑफ द प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ ए कंट्री. ओके. बाकी तीनों रखती है. विच ऑफ द फ्लोइंग इज नॉट मेंशन्ड इन द प्रीएम्बल ऑफ इंडिया? जैसे द फेडरल सिस्टम, जुडिशियरी, लिबर्टी, इक्वलिटी. ये तो है, फेडरल सिस्टम नहीं है मेंटेन. ठीक है. Who is regarded as the father of the Indian Constitution? B.R. Ambedkar. Everyone knows. Next. Amendment in the Constitution can be made by simple majority, special majority and rectification, all of the above. तीनों तरह से हम लोग कर सकते हैं, all of the above. India is a republic because our government is elected by the people. All religion enjoy equal freedom. Our country is free from all the external control. Head of the state is an elected head from amongst the people. Answer is D. रिपब्लिक का डिफिनेशन ही यही है कि हेड ऑफ द स्टेट इलेक्टेड होंगे पीपुल के माध्यम से. ओके. In a parliamentary democracy, there is a close relationship between the legislature and the executive, the legislator and the judiciary, the legislator and the prime minister, none of the above. There is a close relationship. So, legislature and the executive. Answer is A. The term constitution means an important person, structure of a town, an important law, basic human rights, an important law. Constitution is a law book. India is a democratic country because all religions are treated equally. It is free from external control. See, it of its politician, the ideas, people enjoy equal political rights. So answer is D. Which one of the following personality was not a member of the Constituent Assembly? Dr. S. Radhakrishnan, Dr. Rajendra Prasad, Mahatma Gandhi, J.B. Kripalani. Answer is Mahatma Gandhi. महात्मा गांधी मेंबर नहीं थे कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट असेंबली के. उनके बहुत सारे फॉलोअर ही उनका काम कर रहे थे, तो इनको क्या जरूरत थी मेंबर बनने की. इनका विजन जो है कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट असेंबली में रखने के लिए बहुत सारे इनके फॉलोअर थे वहां पर. इन द अमेरिकन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन द हेड ऑफ द स्टेट इज कॉल्ड प्राइम मिनिस्टर, प्रेसिडेंट, किंग, नन. तो प्रेसिडेंट. राज्यसभा इन इंडिया represent the state like the US Senate, Canadian Senate, UK Senate, US Canadian Senate, US Senate, USSR Senate. बच्चों यहाँ आपको जानना चाहिए US means United States. Okay, UK means United Kingdom, full form. USSR means Union of Socialist Soviet Republic. R for Republic. So US means US Senate. The fundamental duties in our constitution was borrowed from the constitution of US, UK, Canada, USSR. So answer is D, USSR. The lengthiest and the most detailed constitution of the world is Indian Constitution. Everyone knows. Okay, the Indian Constitution is divided into 22 parts and has 395 articles and how many schedule? 10 schedule, 11 schedule, 12 schedule, 13 schedule, to 12 schedule. Right? The chairman of drafting committee was Dr. Rajendra Prasad, Jawaharlal Nehru, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, J.B. Kripalani, chairman to B.R. Ambedkar. Next, the right to education has included in the constitution in right to education 2000, 2001, 2002, 2003 to 2002. Okay, thank you for listening and watching my videos. Bye bye.